Hi, welcome to another episode of the AI Workflow Lab. In today's episode, I'm going to talk to you about 5 new features that are available now or imminently within your M365 tenant. Really cool ones. The first one I want to show you is Outlook and Copilot. So there's some cool integrations that you can see now when you open Outlook. You can see Copilot on the right-hand side. And this is an uplift from previously, whereby when you're trying to use some intelligence with Copilot chat to interrogate your emails, you had to do it within the chat interface and then copy and paste anything you want into Outlook. Now there's Copilot within Outlook and you can do those things there. So for example, I go into Outlook, you can see there's a little icon over here, the Copilot icon. Click on it. You can see there's some placeholder items here. So let's just try one of them, which is show my top action. Which emails need urgent replies? That's probably one that we can all resonate with. People are always yelling at you, they want things done by yesterday, yada, yada, yada. So here we are. Copilot can filter out the noise. It will exclude automated messages. It'll only show emails that are urgent or important, and so on. So brilliant for scenarios. For example, you've been on annual leave or you've been away and you just want a quick and effective way to address the emails in your inbox, your 3,000 emails, for example. So it'll filter them, and you can see once it's identified the emails, there actually is a link to them. So if it's that particular one, I can click on it and I can go to it and then start some typing away, etc. So that's really cool, right? So within the context of Outlook, you can use Copilot to do those type of things. You can even use it to draft a response. So within that, I could say summarize and reply. So I can open an actual email, it'll read the email, it'll summarize it and give you a reply. Well, first we'll summarize it. Obviously, choose a longer email will be more effective. But again, these integrations mean you don't have to jump from one interface to the other. You're within the same Outlook space. If that's where you spend most of your time, these enhancements will resonate with you. Second thing I want to show you is booking a meeting. In the past, using Copilot chat to book a meeting, it would go ahead, it would say, I've booked the meeting with Joe Blogs at this time, and you wouldn't see any email in Joe Blogs. You wouldn't see any email sent to Joe Blogs, and the calendar wouldn't even have anything. That's all changed now, thankfully. So if I go over here, let's just say I want to book, schedule, or book. People say book, let's say book. Book a meeting for next Friday with my colleague. Let's do / beg your pardon. Let's just do the / piece. So book a meeting with Carolina. So I want to book a meeting, it's / book a meeting next Friday with my colleague, next Friday with Carolina at 4 p.m. Yeah, short and sweet. Now, assuming there's a time slot available at 4 p.m., I don't have to worry about that. Copilot will look and find and tell me if that time works for my colleague or not, rather than actually having to go. And there isn't any availability at 4 p.m. But what we can do is try other times. Yes, show me availability for next week. So it's gonna give me some availability for my colleague for next week. So there you have it. So I've actually said, so the availability wasn't there for the time I wanted, but there are other times that are available, and it's done it, and it's given me this great view that shows me the times that resonate with me and my colleague. So either 6:30 till 7, or 7 till 7:30, or 8 till 8:30. So once I select the option that works for both of us, you can see that's her and that's me. I can send the invite for option 3, option 2, option 1. But the big difference is that all of this is accessible. This dashboard is within the context of Copilot chat. Previously, this wasn't available. If I click on the invite, let me just remember what I've gone for. So for Monday at 8 p.m., we're going to be working late. Got to get that deadline, send the invite. So now you cross your fingers and hope it's gone and move on to the next thing. No, you don't need to cross your fingers. Trust Copilot. It has gone. It will be there. You heard that noise? Ding, the chime? So 8 p.m. let's have a looky-likey. So if we go to my calendar and you go for 8 p.m. yay, there it is. So that's been booked. There's even a bit of an agenda as well and so on. So the good thing about this is that it's all done within the context of Copilot chat. Nice interface, nice options to choose for. No more jumping from one interface to another. All within Copilot chat. You can find availability of your coworkers, book and send the meeting invite out, and that's good to go. Right. How about the third thing I want to show you? Using Copilot, you can to create an agent. Now, we've done some agent creation videos historically, so please refer to those if you're interested. In this one, the scenario I want to highlight is how you can use Copilot to create an agent for a particular file. So this particular file here, call center sentiment, it's got loads of data, loads of columns and rows around feedback, around how people have been responding to our project. So I need a quick way to identify insights and trends. So why not create an agent? You can see, right click, create agent. You'll see the source. It'll say the source is that one file that I wanted to refer to. Behavior, this is where you give it instructions like, provide accurate information about the content. I'm going to add only on the selected files, reply in a formal tone. I'll also say something like, do not make data up if you don't know the answer. Say so. So I don't want any hallucination, any of that. If you don't know the answer, say you don't know the answer. So we're going to do that. There's some placeholder prompts there, but I'm just going to create it at this point in time. And then that's it. It's now, and it's going to be created in that location, in that call center. So if I close that now, I don't want to chat with it. You could chat with it now, but if I close that now, you can see it's over there. Right click, click on open, and I'll still say open in the side pane. So it opens in the side pane for me. Now I'm going to ask it a question. Can you find the top 3 negative sentiments recorded? Include the location and name of the user, the customer. Recorded. Let's see, how do we spell recorded? That'll do. Off we go. So that will be the third one. And then you can see how it's a really good way to interrogate your data, use the agent. You can even share the agent with your coworkers. So there you have it. Look, it's got the top 3 ones listed there. I didn't have to, rather than going through the spreadsheet and finding it, etc., does it all for you. So that's a really powerful one. Now, comparing files is another feature I wanted to show you. So within Copilot, if I wanted to compare CVs, for example, David and Emily and Sarah Lee, select them, click on AI actions. You can see compare file. Now this is a bit flaky-ish, but I'm still going to show you it. When I did it, but it didn't do it in a really nice way. But as I said, these are new features that are being rolled out. So they're still not as, it's looking a lot better. I tried this yesterday and it wasn't very neat, but look at it now. It's got the name, the title, employment history, skills and certificates. So it's comparing the differences between these 3 colleagues. It's really good. So comparing files is a great feature. Easy to find within the, you just select the files under AI actions. The last one I want to show you is agent mode for Excel. So in this particular example, if I go to select this Contoso's retail spreadsheet, within Copilot, you can launch it and you can select the icon there and you've got agent mode. And that can allow you to do really good things. Like, for example, if I'm just going to show this prompt again. So it's on agent mode, loads of columns and rows. What can it do for me to give me some insights? So I'm just going to Command V because I'm on a Mac. There we are. So what do you recommend creating to help me easily see how the orders are performing against the customers and what products are selling? So it's a product table with columns and rows of data. Now, this is really quite good. It will do the prompt. It will go through the columns of rows of information and it'll give me insights in terms of how the data is performing against how the products are performing against the categories, against the locations, against the prices. It's really quite powerful. So let's have a look. So you can see it's done it now. It's giving me a breakdown of what the type of things it's done in terms of the breakdown that it's found. It's created a new dashboard, which you'll see over here. And this dashboard contains all the kind of things I'd want as a number cruncher. Top customers by sales, top products by subcategory, monthly net sales and trends. And it's amazing. It's done all of this beforehand. We just had this data in this format. And from that, it's created a really good, insightful dashboard that can help you in your board meetings. So I hope you enjoyed that. As I said, there will be, have a look at the links in the description below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And nothing left to say, but please come back. See you next time. Bye.